Hi, I'm Brian Wicklund with Garfinkel Schwartz. I'm coming to you today from our Maitland, Florida office. We also have offices in Titusville, Florida. Today I'd like to talk to you about PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. I'm no doctor, but I represent a lot of people that suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. And I see that basically on a daily basis. I deal with family members that are having hard times getting through the tough times with PTSD, spouses and or family members. I'm sure most of you have heard that there's a rash of PTSD throughout the military, and the numbers are staggering in terms of the percentage of soldiers in Iraq and Afghanistan that have developed PTSD. What you may not know is that those same statistics apply to overseas contractors in danger zones, and you don't really hear any articles regarding the forgotten people that I represent. Namely, those people are translators, they may be linguists, there are people that are the wounded warriors that actually work alongside with the military as security. Anyone that actually has to go outside the wire and be in a position of danger of bombing or being shot has a potential of developing PTSD symptoms, especially those people who are taken overseas under government contracts who don't have the training that the military has and that can't carry guns like the military does. So I've heard many stories, very bad, sad stories of families being broken up as a result of PTSD. And all I want to tell you is that some people don't even know that they have PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. There are a lot of clients of mine that had no clue that they had PTSD, but when they told me the symptoms and I got them to go see an appropriate psychologist or psychiatrist, they are diagnosed frequently with severe PTSD. Their symptoms will range, every case is individual, every person is individual in terms of what they've seen and how it affects their brain. My advice is to simply, if you're suffering from symptoms of anxiety or guilt or anger, flashbacks, being nervous in a car because you might think you might be getting bombed, not like to be confined in tight spaces, maybe not wanting to be near large crowds. But the biggest things that affect people's lives with PTSD is the chronic depression that comes with it, the guilt, the anxiety, and the inability to actually concentrate to go back out in the workforce and do a job. A lot of people don't understand that there's treatment out there that can be really beneficial to people with PTSD. And I know where to find those people throughout the country. So please don't hesitate if you're having these symptoms or your family members are telling you that you're different, that you came back and your personality is completely different than it was before. You're probably suffering from some sort of PTSD symptom. Post-traumatic stress disorder is very serious. It's now getting the attention that it deserves. And except for maybe in this community, in the contractor community, for some reason the word's not really out there that you're being affected just like the military, or maybe even worse. So we're here to help. We're here to get you the proper medical treatment that you might need to see what types of depression or PTSD you're experiencing, and to try to get you the treatment that you deserve, and to try to get your employer or the insurance company to pay for that treatment, which is what they're responsible to do and what they try to always avoid. Thank you very much. This is Brian Wicklund with Garfinkel Schwartz. I hope I helped someone today, and I'd like to help as many people as I can in the future. Thank you.